Frontenac Outfitters. This is a kayak video review of Delta Kayaks 16. Available in a rudder or a skeg design, your choice. It's the newest kayak in their extensive line, and it's one of our favorites. Performance-wise, it incorporates a shallow V hull. You can see quite defined down the middle. Thus, it provides pretty good tracking for a boat its length. A hard chine boat, it offers a little bit more wet surface. That means your initial stability level is very high. It also means that with a hard chine, it really sits over on edge for turns, for edging, and has a very defined secondary stability point. Makes you look like you're better than you are. Its hatch system is exceptional. One of the things I like about their hatches is, unlike the other Delta boats in the family, this one incorporates a male-female seam, so it has like an interlocking edge. It incorporates the Delta standard bungee system, but beyond that, it has a Loctite system with L-shaped hangers. You push down and in on all three, and that allows you to pop the hatch off. You can see it's almost a domed hatch as well, which makes it very, very rigid. This is for a compass, in case anybody was wondering, a recessed compass. It has a similar hatch design in the back, and between the two of them offers just a tremendous amount of storage. But the hatch that I really like is the center hatch. And what makes this boat truly unique is that it is the largest center hatch, to my knowledge, in the industry. And again, we're going to take the bungee off and press down and in on both sides to relieve this. This is perfect. First of all, it's very large. Right about this area it takes up. So you've got lots of room for electronics, for digital cameras, for lunch, what have you. But beyond all that, the thing I really like is the added safety value. Because it protrudes down in between your legs in the cockpit area itself, it disperses an awful lot of water. Put simply, the less water that comes into your boat, the less water one has to get out of their boat. So it's very safe because of that. Cockpit area itself is quite large. We do have padded thigh braces as well. The seat system, like all Delta boats, moves 4 inches forward or aft, and that allows you to trim your boat. This unique seat design also created a problem for Delta. And the problem it created is that to allow the seat to move, you couldn't have a conventional post because that stopped the seat from moving. This piece is an insert that we put in. It's called a padded hip kit. We haven't padded it out because the boat's not sold and we don't know how much padding we need. The neat part is we still have a seat that we can move 4 inches forward or aft, but we can pad that in to give the user the ultimate fit that they require to improve their skills. Seat back also adjusts higher or lower, and that seat adjustment is in front of the paddler. Doesn't sound like a big deal, but it's actually a huge deal in weather conditions. Reaching around behind us in a 2-foot wave is a lot more difficult than one might think. Standard deck rigging in the back. We do have a tamper-proof lock point or a tow point here as well. And unlike many, many sea kayaks, we have quick release straps. Quick release straps are for paddle float re-entry. Your paddle goes in under both. It provides a very stable outrigger to allow you to get back into your boat. The skeg mechanism is deployed on the left or the port side of the boat, and by pulling this, it drops the skeg. The skeg is on simply a gravity system, and of course can go up or down or anywhere in between depending on what we need to get that to where we want it. In short, the Delta 16 is a really well-designed kayak made from the highest possible level of thermoform. It is as light as fiberglass, has the looks of fiberglass, is 20% lighter than polyethylene, and unlike rotomold polyethylene, it will not gouge, it will not fade, it will not oil can. in between. So if you're looking for a very good quality kayak, you like the looks of Composite, but you can't quite afford the price point, Delta Kayaks 16 is a very, very good boat, and we suggest you try one. Come paddle with us. We're open every day in season from 9 to 5. Thank you.